An important area of tort law for consumers and businesses is product liability. This area overlaps with negligence to some extent, as the pivotal case of Donoghue versus Stevenson surrounded a faulty product, a bottle of ginger beer. Although the core principles of negligence remain the same, there are slight variants for product liability. The proximity rules for pure economic loss still apply, even where the loss occurs due to a faulty product. The manufacturer also has a duty to reasonably avoid causing personal or property damage where there is not an opportunity for intermediate inspection. However, if the fault with the product is plainly apparent, then the manufacturer will not be liable for the fault except where it is not possible for the claimant to stop using the item. Consumers who encounter faulty products, though, may be better served by the strict liability statutory remedy provided by the Consumer Protection Act 1987. It states that, where a product defect causes damage, the consumer may pursue multiple people responsible for the product. Defect is defined as something which means the safety of the product is not as expected. Evidence for this expectation can come from multiple sources. Under Section 4, there are a number of defences to an action, such as the product not being supplied in the course of business. There are certain restrictions as to the type of damage which may be claimed for under Section 5. The damages must be greater than £275 in value, not including the damage to the product itself, and the damages can only be personal injury and property damage. Finally, Section 7 states that liability under this Act cannot be excluded. Certain case law refinements and clarifications have been made. Firstly, the defect will be discoverable based on the highest level of scientific and technical knowledge, not just the standard business practices. In addition, even if the risk was unavoidable, the defendants may still be liable as the claimants had a legitimate expectation that the product would be safe. Finally, when it comes to medical devices implanted in the body, it does not need to be shown that each individual product was defective, only that products in the same series are defective.